Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have my Ipsy Glambag Plus for the month of October, and I haven't seen a lot of spoilers for this one. Obviously, it is the Betty Boop theme, as you guys may have seen. I did my regular unboxing, by the way, so if you haven't seen that one, I will of course have it linked below, but that was just a few days ago that I uploaded that. I'm a mess today. Hair's a mess, makeup's a mess, everything's a mess, but it's okay. That's just what's going on. So over the next few days, I will probably be a little bit more absent on YouTube than normal. I'll probably still really be on Instagram a lot though. You guys know I love to freaking post Instagram stories. So I am going out of town, so my videos may not be quite as frequent for just a few days, but then we'll be back to normal. And I just want to say, you guys have been really amazing in my recent vlog, and just because of that, I wanted to do an extra special little giveaway in today's video. So I'm gonna have like a little surprise giveaway. Be sure to stick around until the end and I can tell you guys how to enter. Okay, so let's get into it. All right, first off, I have two add-ons in the box, which I'm actually gonna put aside because those are two giveaway items that I actually love. Like, I love both of these products. So I'm gonna save the add-ons until the end. So if you wanna see that and you're interested in the giveaway, I'm taking them out right now. Be sure to stick around until the end. I'll tell you about the add-ons and I will tell you how to enter the giveaway. So first things first, I do have a little bag. This one is pretty cute. It does have these sequins on one side. It's just like a sequin lay. It doesn't, like, you know what I mean? What am I trying to say? You know how some sequins, you know, you can rub them back and forth. It's not like that. It's just sequins. And then the little pull is pretty cute. It reminds me of like a little devilish red heart. And then on the back, it is just like a faux leather with a little Betty Boop symbol there. This is really cute. Honestly though, I have so many bags. Literally did an unboxing of my milk makeup mystery bag and got 2 bags in that. Like, I am overflowing with bags, so I will include this in the little giveaway I am doing today. So there's one thing to the side just in case you like it. I mean, it's a bag. Makeup bags are good. Also, do you notice anything different? If you watch most of my videos or even like some of my videos, you will know what I'm talking about, because I do not normally wear big earrings, usually because like cute faux earrings like turn my ears red, which is why they're kind of red right now. But I do really like these. They're really cute. They're from Forever 21. Little hearts with a rose imprint on them. I think they're super adorable, and I'm going to try to make it through. I just put them in just a little bit ago, so maybe the redness will go away. I'm going to just cross my fingers. They are really cute though. Enough about that. Now into the items. We have 5 items in here, a couple of which I am really excited for, and a couple of which... first, a really good item. This is the Dr. Brandt Micro Dermabrasion. I have used this product before and it is amazing. So this goes for $79. I have seen it several times in subscription boxes. There's probably like a huge markup on this product, which is why they're like, yeah, put it in a subscription box. But it is really good. This is an age-defying exfoliator. It is a little bit more abrasive. It's definitely for someone who is comfortable with exfoliation, but I really like it. It just polishes the skin, smooths it. You have a brighter complexion. It can help to like decongest pores as well if your pores are congested with like dead skin cells and maybe you're not exfoliating enough. So yeah, I'm really excited about this. I'm stoked to have this back into my routine. So yeah, that's a great item. $79 like I said, so you are far and away surpassing the price of the box. I think this is just like gonna make the box itself, so I'm excited about this one. Right. Next we have the Ico London Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner. Now, I can't remember if I tried this. I think I had a small one of this, and funny enough, I just like tossed 2 liquid liners because one was dried out, one I didn't like so much. Actually, it was 3. A Stila, a Maybelline, and one other one. I love the Stila one, but it was all dried out. So it's kind of time for one. Plus wide lash. What's that mean? Oh wow, I did not realize this. So it says a precision brush tip delivers single stroke carbon black color to instantly accentuate your eyes, and it features wide lash, a conditioning tripeptide complex designed to enhance the appearance of eyelashes with up to 3 times more length and volume in 15 days. What the heck? How did I not know this? Okay, I'm definitely gonna try this now. Maybe I'll put some on. This goes for $22. Is this a little extra to put on liner right now? I just want to see how it goes. The tip of this is like, instead of like being all together, it's just kind of like, it's just like freaking out a little bit. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, we gave it a good shake. Maybe once I press it down, it will flatten. Oh, damn. I don't think I've tried this before. I feel like I would remember this. Maybe it's the mascara I tried. Ooh, it did bleed up just in one section. That was a pretty easy wing. It is super, super black, but once I apply that initial little wing, it kind of starts creeping up into the eye a little bit. Looking at it right now, you would never know. It's just like a tiny little bit of bleeding. It is super, super black though. Also today I have on just like a really kind of sloppy eye look, I'm gonna be honest, that I didn't put a lot of powder onto, just like a loose shadow that I wet and kind of just rubbed it in. So I feel like over a like quote unquote normal eye look, it would probably do better. So yeah, let me even out my eyes and then we'll get to the next item. All right, well this wing got a little bit bigger than that wing, so we had to line it up. I think I would really love this, except the tip of mine, like you can tell it is a nice brush tip, but instead of all like the bristles being like really close together like this, they're kind of like spread out a little bit, but I think otherwise it's really nice. All right, next we have something from Jolie Spectra Stick. What is this? In the shade Stella. I have not heard of this. It says it's named after the French word for pretty. Jolie creates one-of-a-kind high-quality products, blah, blah, blah. So this is a universally flattering rose quartz highlighter infused with micro glitter that glides across cheekbones, flawlessly blending into skin for a subtle dewy shimmer. So it is really cute packaging. I love like the sleekness of it. It's got a little rose gold bit there. Click it and there you go. I can't tell if this is light enough for me or not. But I don't really know how I feel about this, so we're just gonna swatch it rather than give you guys something that I don't even know if I like. Let's just do this. I'm just gonna tap some right here and see. Oh, that's actually pretty compared to, I have on powder highlight, but it's been a while since I applied it, versus that's actually pretty. I'm just kind of tapping. So here's the side originally. It definitely is like amping up the glow. I'm gonna take a little bit on my finger and see. That's kind of cute. I'll have to try this out more. Obviously, when you swatch it, it does go on like really intensely. So it looks dark on the hand, but it doesn't really look dark on the cheek. I mean, it's kind of cute. I'm just gonna have to try this one out because I am curious about it. It goes for $26. And this is my first time using this brand, so I'll definitely give it a shot. And I'll let you guys know in future videos if I'm liking it and still using it and all that good stuff. Next, we have the That's So Betty eyeshadow palette. So my thing with eyeshadow palettes is I have to be super picky because I have way too many, I buy way too many, and they honestly just kind of sit there. So I don't want to swatch this unless I think I'm really going to use it and enjoy it. So I'm just going to very gently open this and let you guys see the colors. Okay, it's definitely very pretty. I'm tempted. I'm so tempted to swatch, but I don't think that I'm going to because I feel like there are colors that I have that will be like this and I just don't want to waste another product. So this is going to go in the giveaway and I'm just going to put it right back in the box. I don't want it to stay open. So I am actually going to put this right into this Betty Boop bag and put this in the giveaway because I would rather someone have the opportunity to try it and maybe like it than me use it once and put it to the side because I just feel like it's getting a little bit wasteful. So I'm trying to be pickier with the products that I use. So both of those are in the giveaway. Again, stay tuned because I got more stuff to go in there. The eyeshadow palette is valued at $30. It's pretty straightforward. It looks like there's some shimmers, there's some mattes. Again, the colors look really pretty. The purple caught my eye, the gold, there's those pinks, and then it's got like some silvery tones to it. So it's a really pretty palette. I can't speak to the quality because I don't know, but I would rather share with you guys than use it myself. I've got this. This is by Lovecraft Beauty. This is a bronzer palette. So I have not used anything from Lovecraft either. I'm curious. So the sleeve and packaging look just the same. It's a little dusty. That's just with the plastic on top. You can see a little dust everywhere. It could be way worse. Okay, I'm not living for the packaging. Like sometimes like paper packaging like this can still look really pretty, but for whatever reason, just like looking around the edges of the pan, I'm just seeing like, I don't know, I hate to say this, it just looks cheap. This is valued at $30, which is not terribly pricey when you consider you get 3 big pans of bronzer, but I'm just gonna try it out because I already kind of feel a little iffy about it, so I don't want to put it in a giveaway. I only like to give stuff away if I think you guys might actually like it or if I think, hey, this is a good product. So you got 3 bronzers here. I think I'm going to be pretty limited to using this one, maybe both of them, definitely not using that one, but that's the 3 shades. Kind of grabbed there where I have swatched that highlight stick, but as you can see, it's really pretty colors. I like that this palette has a fairly deep one. Now, it is definitely not deep enough to cover everyone, but I could have seen like maybe take this darkest shade and 2 darker ones, or even like these 2 and a darker one, and maybe even include a lighter one and do like, okay, this is your light medium and this is your like medium dark or something like that. I think there could have been a little bit more to it, but I don't know. They may have other palettes. This one is just called the Lovecraft Beauty Bronzer Palette. Kind of makes me think that there's just one, you know. Obviously, if it had like a light name or something like that, I might think differently. It is cruelty free according to the back. I definitely will be trying out this lightest shade, and I will keep you guys updated if I like it or not. It would also be really good for a kit if it's a good formula. Different colors in there. So yeah, not a bad item to get. All right, so this box is a $187 value. That is not including the Betty Boop bag, and that is a crazy, crazy deal. So I can't complain. I may not be 100% stoked with every single product and every aspect of it. I'm definitely super excited for the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion. I'm hoping that the tip of this little eyeliner will maybe come together a little bit as I use it a few times. Other than that, it's really, really good. The formula is super black and pigmented. And I'm kind of surprisingly impressed with this highlighting stick. Like, it's very pretty. It feels nice on the skin. Like, it's not overly dewy and sticky or anything. It's dried down to a nice finish. So I'm pretty happy with that. And then you guys, of course, saw the bronzer palette. As for the palette, I think one of you guys will enjoy it. So I'm happy about that. So I did do 2 add-ons, and these are items that I already know and love. So the first one is the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. This is a full size. And when I saw this, I was like, yes, I want to get it. It's only $12, but I really didn't need one for myself. I already have a couple, and I am getting one in my Ipsy Ultimate as well. So this one is going into the giveaway. I'm so excited because I love, love, love this product. So again, you've got a bag, a palette, and the pharmacy. And then I also went ahead and added on a Sigma E25 blending brush. I have one of these myself, and I absolutely love it. So this is the tip. I won't take it out of the packaging, and I don't want to touch it too much. That's what it looks like. I would, of course, recommend quick little sanitization when you get this home, but an E25 blending brush from Sigma. They have some of the best brushes, and in addition to that, I also got this Betty Boop brush in my regular Ipsy bag, and rather than add yet another brush to my collection, I would like to give you guys that one as well. And it is a bigger, even fluffier blending brush, so you could, you know, apply with this and then go in and really blend out with this. So I'm gonna add both of those items into the Betty Boop bag. So you've got like a little Betty Boop set here, a brush, a palette, and the bag itself. So I'm pretty stoked. I hope you guys are excited for this little giveaway. I just want to do these more often for you to show my appreciation. So if you would like to enter in to win that giveaway, just make sure you subscribe to my channel, of course, and leave this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know what your favorite product from this Ipsy bag was. And yeah, if you would pick one, what would it be? Also, if you'd like an extra entry, you can follow me on Instagram. I'll put my handle right up here for you. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Thank you so, so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!